Hi everyone, I'm Ray Dodson. I just bought my second vehicle on my from Jeff Weiler Honda in Florence. First thing was Honda Civic for my wife, and the second one is this beautiful red truck. I bought them both from Brandon Runyon, Jeff Weiler Honda in Florence. Uh, awesome, that boy is so awesome. Love him to death. Jeff Fowler's done me great on two vehicles. If you want to buy a good vehicle and you want to a good deal, go and see Brandon Young Runyon, a Jeff Weiler Hyundai in Florence. Uh, he'll do you right. They did me good. Great bunch of people. Uh, Great deals. Beautiful. So take my advice. Go down and see Brandon Runyon at Jeff Weiler in Florence and see what kind of deal they can make.